Hello everyone, welcome to Techie channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check if you have an SSD or HDD in your Windows 10 computer. Now what you have to do first is right click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Now if you see the Task Manager like this, all you need to do is click on this arrow here and that will expand the view, and once you're here, click on the Performance tab from the top, and in here you can see our disk. So we have disk 0 and we have disk 1, and as you can see here, the disk 1 is the SSD, and in that disk I have the drive C and F, and in here I have an HDD or hard disk drive, and in that drive I have the drive D and E. Now if we click on the SSD, you can see that the model number is also showing up in here, and it is a Toshiba SSD, and in here you can also check the capacity of your SSD, and in my case it is 119 gigabytes, which is basically 120 gigabytes SSD. And that is how you can check if you have an SSD or hard disk drive in your Windows computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.